Good morning, guys. Today is the 23rd of June, and it's almost 8:58, so 58 minutes past 8 a.m. Eastern Time, almost 2 minutes to 9 o'clock. Apologies for being late. I actually was reading the market, and I was like, some of the things which could not make sense to me, that we had the biggest event over the weekend, and the market has not even given any clue that the market is like the way market is behaving, or the way market is reflecting, is nothing has happened, right? So I'll not put a lot of time on that. Let's go what the actually the economic indicators are we expecting. So today we have flash manufacturing PMI, which is the key number, at around 945. Then we have flash services PMI, then existing home sales at 10, FOMC, a couple of members speaks today. So let's see how it goes. Now, my thought process suggests, like the way I am looking at the market, again, I'm just a small player. The market is full of masses. I think the institutional traders also wants to see that how the US market, when all institutions and participants are in the market at 9:30 in the morning, how it behaves. US equities market is the largest market. The size of the market, as per what I have seen last time, was I think July last year, or a bit just around September before the election. It was around $64 trillion market, so it's the largest one. So everybody wants to see how the entire market behaves. That's one of my most likely scenario, but we'll see. Let's see how it goes. I will rather wait and see. It's better, as they say, better safe than sorrow. So I'll wait and see to understand where exactly, what is the direction. We have a lot of event risk popping up, so we'll see. What is happening on the news side? So what we have here, futures are choppy. Oil rises after US strike, but I think everything has changed since this report. So that was like, 1 second. Let me go to news. Sorry, let me go to markets. Okay, it's the best thing I will do is, instead of searching, I'll go to investing.com and I'll go enter, and let me go and find the news from here. So some of the energy, Iran response to US strikes in focus. PMI is on the list. On the minds of everybody's mind, Chevron, ExxonMobil rise pre-market, Dow Jones Nasdaq a weekly preview, European stock muted as traders assess fallout from the US strike. JP Morgan starts gaming sector coverage, which is, well, very good. Right? Okay. So let's see, I mean, how it develops. I will keep it very short. Let's go to my probability map, right? So probability map, which I do every week on Sunday. So for 23rd, it's suggesting Dow to be up. I mean, if historically Dow has been up 43% of the time, which in my research suggests if it's 43%, then it's bearish. S&P has been 50% and Nasdaq has been 50%. So the market remains mixed. Now, a little bit introduction about myself and the social media and what I do. So my name is Ali Merchant. I am CMT by designation. This is my website, twtlearning.com. Thank you very much for following me on X. I'll appreciate, share with your family, friends, network in the financial industry, those who can get some benefit out of it. I put a lot of useful stuff. I am on YouTube, guys. I will appreciate to encourage my daily videos. I'm planning to start weeklies and monthlies, and focus and do more focused weeklies and monthly ideas. Please follow me, like me, subscribe me on YouTube. Appreciate that. TWT Learning provides financial market education and research. We actually try to identify high probability investing and trading, long-term, medium-term, short-term, and day trading setups. I provide markets training. I have launched one training so far. By the grace of God, I've got a very good response. Those who are interested, please walk through this one. This is my bio. I'm going to, during those session, those are 5-module session. I talk about market psychology, order flow, economic indicators, fundamental price action chart, stock options, and income strategies. If you're, I suggest it's better to learn whether you trade or you don't trade. It's better to learn about option trading and income strategies, futures trading. Most of the hedging is done between the options and futures. Stock screening for short-term, medium-term, long-term investment. Learn to identify high probability trade setup. My trade setups are, some of them are almost 90 to 95%, but risk management is the key. Some of them are like 75% plus. Risk management is the key, right? I'll teach you how to find high probability, which is 75% setup, 75% high probability setup, and how to manage the risk. I'm starting one from 28th of June until 26th of July. So please feel free to reach out to me. You can email admin at twtlearning.com, scan me for registration, or WhatsApp me or text message and I'll go through. Text message me. Go to TWT Learning, see the testimonials I have. I have shared some of the testimonials yesterday in some of the groups I am. So let's go to the markets. Okay. So that's what we have seen this. Let's go. I will briefly go through the markets. Nothing has changed. I mean, basically with this such a huge event, futures are still the same range. Market is waiting for something, or market knows something which we don't know. I will rather leave it to the market to decide and stay on the sideline. That's what my mentor have told me. I have mentors who've been trading for like 70, 75 years. In combined experience, I have mentors who have the experience of more than 250 and 300 years, right? These mentors are, their trading and investing experience is greater than my age. So I'll just trust their, I'll just follow their footstep, and I'll trust their experience. Okay? Same thing here. S&P futures, nothing has happened. It's like basically, or the market wants more clues how it goes. Well, we'll see. Let's look at UEXY. It seems like nothing has happened, right? Which is very, very unusual. So again, that's why I want to see the market, how it opens. Let's look at some of the indices. And one of the things which is actually confusing me is gold has gone down. I mean, I was expecting gold to go down. I mean, I was expecting double top, but gold has actually gone down instead of some risk. Geopolitical risk, gold has gone down. Right. Second thing is look at crude oil. Crude oil has gone down, spiked up, but came down. Dollar is getting stronger. Yields are coming down. On the other hand, I mean, with this situation, Bitcoin has gone down, right? Now, though I have Bitcoin as a setup, which I can understand, that setup isn't kicked in, but Bitcoin has gone down, right? So a lot of questions I have, which I'm going to get the answers from the market, and later during the day, this evening or early tomorrow morning, I'm going to put my weekly outlook. So let's go. Let's look at Tesla, robo event done, facing this resistance. NVDA chopping in the range, advanced micro devices trading below the high, but again, it's facing resistance around 132, Alphabet down, Broadcom going down. Apple is the one which has gone into this resistance. Microsoft is sitting at the support. Amazon is actually ranging. If Amazon breaks this range, then Amazon has a good probability of coming down to 204. So that's what I think. So let's get the answers from the market. Have a wonderful day. My suggestion for myself is stay, wait, and see. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful trading day, a wonderful Monday, and have a wonderful week.